Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add the macro you've just created to the quick access toolbar, which is this one here. If you have not passed through, if you don't know what the quick access toolbar, pass through our previous tutorial where we learned how to adjust all the items in this quick access toolbar. So in this tutorial we're going to learn how to add our newly created macro, which is here. Go to macros, then view macros. This delete reference macro, it basically just deletes cell next to what you've selected. So but we want to add it here. So the first way is to click this the ellipsis button here, and then click on more commands. It's going to lead you to the ribbon and toolbar references. Select quick toolbar, then on this drop down select the macros. Okay, if you click on this and then add it here, it's going to be there. The second way, which I'm going to show you, is go to edit and select for references if you're on Windows, but on MacBook you go to Microsoft Excel, select preferences, then go to ribbon and toolbar, then quick access toolbar, select the drop down macros. If you use popular commands, you might find sometimes macro is here, but to be sure, just select the drop down and select macros. You'll see all your macros. I'm going to select this macro and push it to the right. If you want to remove it, you send it back, but I want to take it to the quick access toolbar, as you can see here. Then click on save, then close, and you can see it's here. You can see if I want to change the icon for it, just click on more commands, quick access toolbar, select here, and then click. You can either rename or reset, whatever you want to do with it. And also it's important for you to know that most of these commands are dependent on what you have been able to do before, and it's not a place where you are going to create your macros from here. I'm going to cancel out. I'm going to edit most of the options. I just wanted to show you can add it here. Then I'm going to select here. So initially we've seen you select the cell next to it, click on it, delete that, click the next to it, click that. So you cannot only use keyboard shortcuts to use your macros, you can also use the quick access toolbar just in case your keyboard dies off or something just happened. And it's also quicker to just click from the graphical user interface. See you in the next tutorial. We'll be talking about how to save a macro enabled workbook. See you then.